actions, Avanita?
Yes, ma'am. I wrote ironing the clothes and washing dishes.
Okay, very good. Sharangdas, did you do activity? No. Okay, I know the same people. Jagan Krishna, did you do activity? No. Ami, did you do activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Show your activity, Afrin. Yes. Read any two actions, Afrin.
Cut the fruits, lifted a bucket full of water.
Okay, fine. Asim, where are you looking, Asim? Oh. Felix, did you bring your activity?
No, I didn't do it. Forgot.
Forgot. Joel, Joseph, where is your activity? Switch on video. Show your activity, Joel. Did not do, Joel. Kiran, Raj, show your activity, Kiran. Yes. Okay, read any two, Kiran.
Using a sanitizer and cycling.
Okay, very good, very good. See, all these students are very good children. So, now you all are 8th standard. Learn to obey teacher and then do the work. Advait, did you do?
No, ma'am.
Alan Jolly?
Ma'am, I will send today.
No, today itself sent in the WhatsApp. Alan Jolly? Yes. Where's the activity? Okay. Read two actions, Alan.
Ma'am, playing badminton and folding clothes.
Okay, very good. Then who else? Priyana. Can you come on video? Priyana. Sweet Nihal. Where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you do activity, Nihal? Okay. Read two activity, Nihal.
Sitting on chair, going up and...
Okay, fine. Only this many students came today. What about remaining one? Milan, Nelvin, Annette, where are those people?
Ma'am, Milan and Nelvin is in another class.
Okay, another class. So you are only this many 8B. Okay, fine. Manish is not there. Mariam is not there. Mehul, Nada, Naveen is there. Naveen is there. Neha, Mary. So many absent today. What happened? Nigel, Naveen present. Priyana present. Okay, Priyana, you did not do. Sarangdas, Sharanya, Shivakrishna, Smriti. No one is here in this class. I'm going to complain about this class. Only few students are present. What's the point of it? Few students are present. Let me take at Arav PS, Advait present, Ami present, Akash Krishnan, Alanjoli, Aryan Sujish, Asim, Avanish, Avanita, Asara Fatima came, Janice, Dev Narayan, okay, Dia.
Present.
Felix is present. Okay. Faisal, Fayuna, any one of them not here? Not it. Gautam is there? No. Who is your class teacher? Vinida Miss, no?
Vinida.
You are in the vice principal's class and still majority are absent. And some are not even switching on the video. So many problems with you all. Ready? Nihal. Prithviraj did not come. Smriti did not come. Where is Prithviraj?
Nihal is present.
Prithvi, where is he? I didn't see him. Where is Prithvi? It's not there. Prithviraj is not here. You are only in one board. There is no extra friend. Gautam CR, present. What's your problem with your video, Gautam?
Nothing, it was on.
Where's the activity? Did you do the activity? No. Siva Krishna and Mariam is connecting now. Rihanna. Okay. We'll continue with this. Asada did not come. Okay. Fine. Last class, what did we?
Ma'am, I do.
Who is that?
Azara.
Asara. Okay, Asara, read your activity.
Reading.
Reading.
Writing notes.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, dear, fine. Dev Narayan, did you write? Even you don't switch on the video, did you write it? Dev, can you read? Two actions.
Mopping the floor and writing my note.
Okay, fine. Siva Krishna, did you bring your activity today? He is only connecting. Okay, let us go through the classes now. What was the last topic we studied, my dear?
Unbalanced force.
Unbalanced force. Did we study both directions? One direction
Yes,
and opposite
ma'am.
direction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, Felix, can you tell me in forces acting in one direction? Forces acting in one direction. What will be the total force acting on it? What we should do?
Force 1 plus force 2.
Okay. So 20 Newton plus 30 Newton plus 60 Newton. How much we get, Asara, if it is forces acting in one direction? We had to add all the forces.
110 Newton.
110 Newton. Very good. Okay. Next, in opposite direction. Aryan, you will give me the answer, okay? In opposite direction, what we should do?
Force 1 minus force 2.
We will subtract. Biggest force, we should subtract the smallest force. Okay. So, one force is acting 40 Newton. Another force is acting in opposite direction is 10 Newton. Dia, what is the total force is acting?
50 Newton.
30 Newton. Clear. Okay. So, I hope you understood the concept of unbalanced force. Now, we are moving on to the next case, balanced force. Did you write that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, yes. So, next heading you can write balanced force. So, from this, what you understand means you have done all the unbalanced force, correct? Sleep, washing, gardening, cycling. Actually, what you were doing unbalanced force. When you do the cycling, you are doing in the same direction. That is why you are able to move forward. Now, suppose you are cutting the vegetable. Suppose you got a brinjal. Before applying the force, brinjal was a beautiful shape. After cutting, it changes its shape. Crushing the paper. Before that, paper was quite nice, but once you crumble and crush, it changes. So, what in all these actions, whatever actions I made you to write, whatever actions you did, actually you were doing unbalanced force. So, unbalanced force only can change the motion, change direction, change speed, change shape, change size, change position. Balanced force can never do any change. Unbalanced force can do all the change. So, we are coming to the point of balanced force. Let me take this thing for you. Today's date you put in your lecture note. Today's date you put. Okay. Balanced force. And bracket you write 0 force. Bracket you write 0 force. Z-E-R-O. 0 force. I'll tell you why it is calling us 0 force. Balanced force or 0 force. Body is taking a lot of time. Oh. So we have finished balanced force, unbalanced force. Okay. So we are coming to the balanced force. Now you can see here same wooden box, but here also 10 Newton, here also 10 Newton. Okay. For example, I can tell you Aryan. Aryan is pulling from left to right. Wooden box. Okay. Aryan is pushing, not pulling, pushing left to right the way I am showing. That is the direction. Left to right or forward direction with 10 Newton. Now another boy I can call Avinish. Avinish also pushing that in opposite direction. So let us come to according to the figure I will write. Let us consider this is as F1, this is as F2, and this is known as Aryan, and this is Avanish. Okay. So let us explain the direction. Look at in which direction Aryan is pulling. So direction is this way. So Aryan is pulling from right to left. I was first told he is pushing from left to right, but in the picture arrow is in opposite direction. So Aryan is pulling right to left. At the same time, Avanish is pulling left to right. So both are in opposite direction, correct? Aryan is pulling this way, the way I am showing my hands back, but Avanish is pulling the thing in front, that is forward direction. Both arrows are opposite direction. Now, can you tell me in physics very clearly, children? Last class also I explained. If two forces are acting in opposite direction, we will take one as positive, another one you will take negative. Clear? Last class I explained to you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When? Hello? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
When
ma'am.
two forces are acting in opposite direction, one we can take it as positive, another you can take it as negative. So always forward direction we take it as positive, backward direction opposite to that you take it as negative. So in this case, who is pulling forward direction? Is it Aryan or Avanish according to the picture?
Avanish.
Avanish. So Avanish force you can take it as positive. So I will write Avanish positive and Aryan is negative 10 because he is in opposite direction. Now do the addition. So what will be the total force acting on the wood? Minus 10 plus 10. What you will get?
0.
0. And will it the wooden box will move now?
No.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Now this is what you call balanced force. Understood? All the forces which is acting equally and opposite directions. Then that object will experience a balanced force or 0 force. Okay. I would ask you to, I will tell you. Now all of you sitting in your place. Until you push yourself or you pull yourself, you all are sitting in your place. My question is, are you experiencing unbalanced force or balanced force now?
Balance.
Balanced force, correct? Now you are experiencing balanced force on your body. And what are the forces it must be acting on you? Maybe gravitational force, correct? You have learned gravitational force. Sometimes air will pull you, pressure, correct? The air exerts a force on you. All these forces are equal. That is why now you are sitting in your place without moving, without falling down, without slipping. You will move unless you apply a force on your body. Now you got the idea of balance force, children? Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
when we can say an object experienced balance force, if all the forces which are acting on an object are equal and opposite, then it is said to be experiencing a zero force. So it is a balanced force. This is the reason when you keep the book on the table, a book is lying on a table. Is it balanced or unbalanced? A book is lying on a table.
Balanced.
Balanced. When it become unbalanced, when it will become unbalanced?
When we take it.
When we take. So when we apply unbalanced force, it will move. Otherwise, every object on the earth simply lying, we call them, they are at rest. An object which is lying on a floor, lying on a table, and even this style which is in my hand. I am speaking to you, style is in my hand. So style is experienced now balanced force because it has no change in motion. Suppose I leave it, naturally it will fall. That time it is experiencing a unbalanced force. So all the object which is at rest, whether it is living or non-living, if it is at rest means no motion, no direction, just nothing, then it experiences a balanced force. Now got it? So our life, you can exist on the earth because of we experience the balanced force. Balanced force means gravitational force, air is pushing us, pressure we are experiencing it, everything. Okay, but someone pushes you, naturally you will fall down. That means that person is applying an unbalanced force for you to push you down. Correct? Got it? Yes. I hope it's clear to you.
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
this concept is little more you need to understand. Unbalanced force two ways. Same direction and opposite direction. Another one is balanced force. Now what you have to write? Write this, only this point now. Balanced forces do not change the state of rest or motion of an object. Balanced force do not change the state of rest or motion of an object. And you just write down this, roughly draw this, minus 10 Newton plus 10 Newton. Net force F minus F is equal to 0. In the note I will be giving to you this week. Okay. So in that I'll give you the proper balanced force. Now you don't have to write such a detail, only understand. Balanced force do not change the state of rest or motion of an object. But there is a peculiar feature, means change in size and shape of the object. That you will be learning in detail later, because you know due to temperature and all, sometimes you know the things like dal and all, wheat and all, you wash and put it there. Before when it was wet, it is heavy. After getting dried, you know the wheat is not much heavy, you can carry and all that. That is means because of temperature. So this is some peculiar feature, but you only think about this portion. This is enough. This is, I'm just giving you for higher studies. So now let us have only this point. Balanced forces do not change the state of rest or motion of an object. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And it is, can you write down this? Minus 10 Newton plus 10 Newton. And you write down here, net force is equal to F minus F. That is minus 10 plus 10. This minus 10 plus 10 only we have written F minus F. This is from which part of the max it is coming?
Integers.
Integers. So everyone, you should go through integers. In physics, Aldous, can you leave, my dear? Now 8th B class now over. Okay, I'll enter the class, then you join. Okay, Aldous?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Now, what is net?
Net means total force. Total force. Or sum of all the forces is known as net force. In physics, we use the word net, then resultant. These are the two words mainly we use in order to, instead of writing total, we will use all these words. Net, resultant. Okay. Clear, children? Sure. Shall I end the session now? Only this, not it. Yes, dear. Did you say something?
Yes.
Shall I end? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So if any doubts, next class, that is next Friday, we will do it. Clear?
Okay.
So this week I will be sending the notes. Please write it down the ruled sheets, file it, and your activity. Your activity, what are the activity you have written?